Hey guys, today's video will install BONOSS wheel spacers for Mercedes E-Class. So do I need extended wheel bolts for these wheel spacers?
For those car owners who have installed wheel spacers, the length of the factory wheel bolts are not long enough, so we need to use these extended wheel bolts. The thickness of the wheel spacers plus the factory wheel bolt is the length of the extended wheel bolt we need. We can see the 12-petal-shaped design on the head of the extended wheel bolts. That's the proof of the super forging process. BONOSS extended wheel bolts achieve the ISO standard grade 12.9, which have higher strength than the stock one.
So that's all for today's video. If you want to get this BONOSS with spacers and extended wheel bolts, please see the link below. See you next time. Bye bye.